Hey, what's up, guys? I'm gonna go edit this video right now, and yeah, it's like 12:47 on a Friday, and I'm gonna turn it on. This is already after doing the next day after doing the gauge install with my uncle. So let's watch, check it out. It's pushing like 12. It took like almost 8, but it's actually charging. Oh, I need to fix this. There's a bolt that goes right here. See? I need to take off this panel, but before I take off this panel, I want to buy the little plastics first, so it can hold better. Oh my gosh, that's bad. That's bad. Yeah, guys, so I guess it's at like 13 and a half, almost 14. Yeah, like 13-ish. Yeah, like 13. Yeah, guys, right now I'm gonna drive and I'm gonna go edit this video, but I want to show you guys that. How much? I got 23 minutes on this camera. I might just drive over there. Chick's not
Give me the downbeat, Maestro. I want to lay it on the line. Because everything I do, I want to do it in double time. When I take a ride in my car, I let it roll. Hear me? I said let it roll. I like to feel a little wind in my face. Nice and cold. If you chicks are timid, you just better turn back. Because when I take a ride in my car, it's going to be action back. Hear me? Action back. Well, the music's going to move me. Well, I've got to feel the beat. Nothing slow for the heart. I want to be with my feet.
Bring them at a feet.
If you play it slow and easy, I can dig a leg like that.
Let's go do action, baby.
Action back, action man.
Action back. Woo! There's like a ridge, and that's the shirt. I ain't buying a Cadillac. Not anymore. I'm run by one of them rocket ships. Take me there and back. Being rich, it ain't action back. Action back. Red them at a feet. Hey, red them at a feet. No swear it's like allowed. Gonna move it. The action back. Not action, baby. Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're gonna do the alternator wire. My uncle should be here. We're gonna connect the. He ordered little plugs in the back. It's a little wire plug. I don't know, when he brings it, I'll show you guys. But we're gonna do that right now. These are the wires, guys. Wiring? What is just a name for it? Universal socket GM replacement. But it works for everything, right?
Yeah.
I saw the link.
They're 3 something a piece.
And some places they want how much?
25, 27.
Oregon.
They came out of California.
But they're made in Oregon, huh?
Well, that's who manufactures them, I guess. I don't know.
And like you just hot wire that and plug it in the back.
Yeah.
Okay. So they just pop on to there.
Well, that's gonna be tight in there.
You gotta pop. You gotta open it. What we're gonna do, guys? What we're gonna do is stretch that little thing, because this thing is just too damn big. So what is this, a reamer?
Well, it's for a bike.
That takes two of them.
One for the positive side, one for the negative side. Nope. One negative, one positive.
Which is which? Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
Obscene. It's a little screw.
I don't know if this will work here.
Why not?
Yes, it will.
So it works. Darn you, wire. Bend the wire. Oh, so you're gonna connect that straight to the alternator?
No.
Alternator fuse panel. No. The fuse panel that the alternator fuse goes on?
No.
No?
First I need to see. Okay.
You want me to hold it?
Need to tint it.
It's not gonna pop it?
No.
What's the temperature at?
Okay.
Put your finger on it. Don't touch it.
It's warm. That's it?
And we're gonna rig it like that?
Yeah.
What are these for?
Different tips you can put on it.
Wow.
Come on.
My dad got me that for Christmas. Nice.
So, this you don't want to put it back up until it cools down.
Okay.
Okay, now I just gotta get down here and run this through all this wiring here. Get it out of the way. I'm right here. That's what I gotta do. And get this.
Oh, right up in there.
Yeah. And just pop it right in there. If it'll go in. Right there. That's it. You got your fuse connection. Put that one there. Maybe strip it a little bit more.
And there you go.
I gotta do is find a good ground. Put this on the ground. And whenever you turn the pickup on, you'll have amps over here.
For a ground right now, guys, and I think we might have found one. Oh, my bad.
Yeah, that's a ground bar.
A ground bar.
So now we just gotta loosen up one of these little fuckers. Okay, now, okay, need to get some more wire.
We're gonna twist it on that little twister. Oh, there's a hole in the bag. I thought you were gonna twist it around the screw.
No. Right there. That.
Oh, okay. Unless it's a flathead. What do you call it?
That's a screwdriver.
Oh, screwdriver. It's not a Phillips.
No.
Screwdriver. Wait. Ooh, I think that was TJ. Ooh.
Okay.
That pop got no pop against the pops down here. Wait, that didn't make no sense. The pops in California, they got the pops that are around here. Wait, did that make sense again? Hold on. Did it work?
Come on. Stop it.
Are you playing around? Oh shit. Oh, check it out. Bang.
There you go.
That's fucking cool. And that's how you change, what do you call that job?
That's how you put a
That's how you put a
voltage meter.
on a 79 F100.